landscape is finally finished and this beautiful walkway has just been completed, and I wanted to show you what it looks like. It's actually started out a little bit different than the design that we ended up with. Originally, we were actually supposed to bring this monkey grass in these larger sections, and the only thing that would have been concrete were the steps in the middle. But the homeowner wanted a last-minute change, and we were happy to accommodate it. It actually ended up taking a little more concrete than what we originally planned, which was fine. And you can see that we used a stained concrete. Jeremy did a great job getting that light gray color that we want, but it's not coming out of concrete trucks right now. And so it's got a nice kind of an aged look to it. We went back with dwarf mondo grass about every 4 inches in the cracks, topped it off with some black mulch to just make it look like it's dirt, and that's it. It's a super simple design. It takes a little more labor and a little more concrete, but I think it really achieves what we wanted for this space.